All right, today we're going to talk about the rear access door on the Flyer Explorer and Discover. This is a Flyer Explorer here. We got two latches. These latches are real nice latches. Pop those off. It's a spring-loaded door, so it's fairly light. Comes down. It does have bumpers on the outside for the ground. So this ramp door is rated for 2,200 pounds. So more than enough weight capacity to get your ATV, motorcycle, whatever you want up on to your unit here. We're gonna go inside and take a look at a couple other things. Inside we have 6 D-rings on the floor to help tie down any vehicles or other gear that you've got inside. If you're towing any items that have gasoline, ATV, motorcycle, anything like that, you want to use these butterfly vents. These just push down open, and then they allow air to go in and out to make sure you're not getting too many gas fumes inside. One in the rear. There's also one here in the front under the overhead cabinet in the Explorer.